Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find YouTube stream key step by step. You ever try setting up a live stream and suddenly feel like you're hunting for a secret code? That's basically what finding your YouTube stream key feels like the first time. What I do is head into YouTube Studio, then click on Go Live. From there, I choose the streaming option, and once the dashboard loads, everything starts to make sense. The stream key sitting there in a corner, usually tucked away like it doesn't want to be found. I just hit copy and boom, it's ready to paste into my streaming software like OBS. The first time I did this, I double checked it 3 times because it felt way too important to mess up, and honestly, it is. Quick tip: never share your stream key with anyone because it's basically the password to your live broadcast. Once you've got it copied and plugged in, you're pretty much ready to go live. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.